New Orleans, known for its vibrant culture, historical architecture, and unique charm, also faces the reality of hurricane season each year. With the potential for high winds, heavy rainfall, and flying debris, ensuring that your home is well protected is essential. One of the most vulnerable parts of your home during a hurricane is the windows. Improperly installed or outdated windows can become a point of weakness, allowing the storm to cause significant damage to your property. In this article, we'll explain why proper window installation is crucial for hurricane protection in New Orleans and how investing in expert installation can safeguard your home from the devastating impacts of severe storms. Windows are your home's first line of defense. During a hurricane, windows are often the first part of a home to be compromised by the intense wind pressure and flying debris. When a window breaks, it allows wind, rain, and debris to enter your home, causing further damage to the structure and interior. A properly installed window serves as a barrier, keeping the elements outside and helping to maintain the integrity of your home. If the windows are not properly installed, the risk of them breaking increases, and the damage to your home becomes much more severe. Hurricane-rated windows, when correctly installed, are designed to withstand the extreme pressures associated with strong winds, helping to protect your home and the valuable items inside. Enhanced protection with hurricane-rated windows. The most effective way to protect your home from hurricane-related window damage is by installing hurricane-rated windows. These windows are specifically designed to resist the impact of flying debris and the strong winds associated with hurricanes. They feature impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames that can withstand winds of up to 200 miles per hour, which is typical for Category 5 hurricanes. Proper installation is key to ensuring these windows perform as designed. Even the best hurricane-rated windows won't provide optimal protection if they aren't installed correctly. The windows must be securely fastened and sealed to prevent gaps or weaknesses where wind and debris could penetrate. That's why hiring a professional window installation company experienced in hurricane protection is essential. Preventing water intrusion. When a window breaks during a hurricane, it creates a direct path for water to enter your home. Water intrusion can lead to structural damage, mold growth, and furniture damage. Improperly installed windows or those that are not designed to withstand hurricanes can exacerbate this problem. Hurricane-rated windows, when correctly installed, provide water resistance, keeping the rain and moisture outside. The tight seals around these windows help prevent water from seeping in, ensuring that your home stays dry during the storm. This is especially important in New Orleans, where heavy rainfall is common during hurricanes and can cause widespread water damage if not properly managed. Proper installation ensures longevity and durability. Hurricanes are not the only weather-related concern for New Orleans homeowners. The city experiences high humidity, temperature fluctuations, and salty air from the Gulf Coast, all of which can affect the durability of windows over time. A properly installed window can stand up to these elements, ensuring that your windows continue to function effectively year after year. Additionally, windows that are correctly installed are less prone to wear and tear, reducing the need for future repairs or replacements. professional installation ensures that your windows are not only durable but also properly weather sealed and insulated, contributing to energy efficiency and better home comfort throughout the year. The importance of hiring professional window installers. Proper window installation requires specialized knowledge and skills. While DIY window installation may seem like a cost-saving option, it can lead to improper sealing, gaps, and weak points that will compromise your window's ability to withstand a hurricane. That's why it's essential to hire a professional window installation company with experience in hurricane protection. A certified professional will ensure that window frames are securely anchored to the structure of the home. Seals and weather stripping are properly applied to prevent air and water leakage. Impact-resistant glass is installed with the correct mounting method. These professionals understand the specific requirements for hurricane-rated windows and will follow the proper installation procedures to ensure your windows perform as intended during a storm. Insurance benefits and cost saving. Having hurricane-rated windows installed by professionals not only provides enhanced protection for your home but may also lower your homeowner's insurance premiums. Many insurance companies offer discounts for homes that have impact-resistant windows, as these windows reduce the risk of property damage during a storm. Moreover, having properly installed windows reduces the likelihood of costly repairs after a hurricane. By investing in high-quality hurricane windows and professional installation, you're also making a smart financial decision by reducing the potential for extensive damage and future repair costs. Increasing home value. Investing in impact-resistant windows can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers will appreciate the added protection and energy efficiency that these windows provide, making your home more attractive on the market. In hurricane-prone areas like New Orleans, homes with hurricane-rated windows are seen as a safer and more secure investment. Conclusion: secure your New Orleans home with proper window installation. In New Orleans, the threat of hurricanes is a real concern, and protecting your home should be a top priority. Proper window installation plays a critical role in ensuring that your home remains safe, dry, and secure during a hurricane. By investing in hurricane-rated windows and hiring a professional installation company, you can enhance your home's security, comfort, and value while safeguarding your property from the devastating effects of severe storms. Don't wait for the next storm to hit. Ensure your windows are properly installed and ready to withstand the challenges that come with living in a hurricane-prone area like New Orleans. By making this smart investment, you'll enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is better protected, no matter the season.